to participate in this or today's committee hearing. May I move once more, Mr. Chair, that Mr. Lemuel Ortonio be cited in contempt for the following reason, Mr. Chair. Number one, he is aware that there will be a committee hearing today, November 20, 2024, and that the excuse he offered in this letter is not a valid one. And for me, Mr. Chair, this is continued defiance of a lawful order of this committee, and it is a sign of disrespect wherein members of this committee, Mr. Chair, had taken the time to attend and appear before this committee hearing. Again, may I move once more, Mr. Chair, for Mr. Lemuel Ortonio to cite him in contempt, Mr. Chair. I so move.
Seconded.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection to the motion? Hearing none, the motion is carried. Just to clarify, kung bakit po tayo nag-co-contempt ulit, this is based on different grounds.
Yes.
Yes, because the previous ground, yung contempt po natin, ang contempt po kasi 6 po ang grounds. So yung first ground, without legal excuse to obey summon. Ito po kasi, yung binabanggit po ninyo is based on Section 11E, acting in a disrespectful manner towards any member or committee or any misbehavior in the presence of the committee. So, ibang ground po itong binabanggit po ninyo. Okay.
Yes, Mr. Chair. Just to clarify, it is under Section 11, Paragraph E of our House Rules, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
And further,
Please
Mr.
continue.
Chair, since we are citing Mr. Lemuel Ortonio for a different ground under our rules, and I move that Mr. Lemuel Ortonio be confined at Bicutan Prison, Mr. Chair. I so move.
There is a motion to confine Mr. Ordoño in Sampo?
Bicutan Prison, Mr. Chair.
Bicutan Prison. Is there any second to the motion?
Second.
Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
How long?
For how long? For what period?
Until the committee report.
10 days.
I'm sorry, Mr. Chair. The period of detention.
Under the rules,
is
Section
10 days, Mr.
11E
Chair.
and F, 10 days po ang maximum.
Yes, 10 days,
Yes.
Mr. Chair.
Okay, 10 days. We will go for the maximum, 10 days.
Mr. Chair, in connection to the motion of Congressman Bongalon, I have here a letter signed by Mr. Lemuel Ortonio. It was received by the committee on November 20, 2024 at 9:15 p.m. Wala ba talaga siya dito, Comsec?
Negative, Your Honor.
Ha?
Wala po.
Kasi nakasulat dito on paragraph 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. While I maintain our stand stated in the position papers we submitted, I am here ready to participate in the proceedings. I will do my best to answer any questions related to the activities of the OVP and its accomplishments. So,
Your Honor, even the pages and in the registration, they have not physically found Mr. Lemuel Ortonio to be present here, Your Honor.
so anong dahilan nitong sulat na to? Ba't niya sinasabi na pupunta siya dito at magpa-participate siya? Wala naman pala siya dito. But I don't expect the COMSEC to be able to answer that. But I guess that would put more emphasis on the justification on the motion of Congressman Bongalon. Unacceptable, Mr. Chair. I mean, he mentioned that he was coming. Nandito sa letter niya, tapos wala rin siya dito.
Mr. Chair,
Congressman Bongalon.
thank you, Mr. Chair. Another matter, Mr. Chair. In a letter dated November 12, 2024, signed by Attorney Sunshine Chari Fajarda, Mr. Edward Fajarda, and Gina F. Acosta. Upon perusal, I have seen that the common reason for their non-attendance is that They are on official business. And may I request from the committee secretary if she can confirm that in that letter, was there any attachment to prove that on these particular dates from November 9 to 15 of 2024, an official business or official travel was attached in this letter to prove that indeed these officials are on official business. Can we confirm from the committee secretary, Mr. Chair?
Comsec,
Your Honor, there was no attachment in that. It was a one-pager. One-pager for the three individuals, one-pager for Mr. Ortonio as well, Your Honors.
So wala hong naka-attach na proof na kahit official travel?
None, Your Honor.
So in other words, Mr. Chair, this one-pager document is a mere scrap of paper, Mr. Chair. We can always offer an excuse stating this, but as an official, we have to convince this committee that indeed on these particular dates, they are on official business. And the best document to prove that they are on official business is an official travel issued to them. So, Mr. Chair, I would like to move that this letter submitted by these three individuals or officials from the Office of the Vice President, I move that the committee only note this letter and cannot be acted upon as an excuse for their absence in today's committee hearing, Mr. Chair.
is there any second to the motion? Duly seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is carried.
Your Honor, may I be recognized?
Yes, Comsec, you're recognized.
Your Honor, the Sergeant at Arms is present, Your Honor. Sergeant at Arms, taas, Your Honor.
Yes, please continue, Congressman Bongalon. That would be all.
Mr. Chair,
Yes, Congressman Gutierrez.
Mr. Chair, in relation to the query of the Honorable Deputy Speaker, I understand the question was on the letter by Mr. Antonio?
Ortonio.
Ortonio, and I understand he is the Assistant Chief of Staff in the OVP. Mr. Chair, perhaps if the Deputy Speaker be of the like mind, we could ask the Chief of Staff who is present here today with us if she is aware of the circumstances surrounding the letter that has been submitted. Because it's highly curious po that he would commit to being here today, yet, which is a letter dated yesterday or today po ba? November 20. So that was dated today. Yet he's not here. Perhaps the Chief of Staff would be able to enlighten us, seeing as that they are in the same office, and in fact, the subject person is her subordinate po. Yun lang, Mr. Chair.